There's got to be at least 300 to 500 seagulls. But you probably can't see them. Thank you for watching.